has been answering 911 calls for 3 years without callers ever knowing and without ever telling the public. Several news articles last week reported that a dispatch center in New Orleans was replacing humans with AI. And that is actually not 100% true. The Orleans Parish Communication District, or OPCD, has been using AI in its dispatch center. That is true. They've been using something called Carbine's AI emergency call triage tool. And this uses AI to help figure out when there's multiple calls coming in about a car crash that's already been reported. And apparently this only answers calls when there are no humans available to take the call, and someone calls 911 that's within 200 meters of a car crash that's already been called in. If the AI determines that that call is about that same wreck, then it can provide updates and information to that caller. And if it determines the call is about anything else, it is supposed to route that call to a human to actually take the call. OPCD is adamant that the AI is not replacing humans and that those news reports last week were not accurate. However, they did confirm that they've been using this AI tool for about 3 years. There was no public announcement about it, and the AI does not tell callers if it's AI taking the call. Not gonna lie, when I first read the headlines a few days ago about the AI being used in dispatch and possibly replacing humans, I was pretty irritated and very concerned. Now that I know the extent of AI's involvement, I do feel a bit of relief because I definitely don't think dispatch calls should all go through AI. But is that really accurate what the AI is doing? Because they didn't even tell people that AI was taking calls. But I don't want to be a totally negative Nancy about this AI because I know that I'm not a big fan of AI. I'll make that very clear, but I do think there are some good reasons to use AI. And the reason they're saying they're using AI just for triaging those calls for car crashes that have already been called in, I mean, that could be a good use of AI. And OPCD did release some stats from the measurement period they had when they were first using the AI tool to make sure it was a good tool for them to use. Let me know if you think I should do a video or not about that, because I did find it pretty interesting. But I do think people should be informed when AI is being used, whether that's for a dispatch call or a medical appointment, anything where someone thinks that they could be in an emergency. I think you should know if AI is being used. I don't think that that kind of disclosure should be optional. Sort of like when you go to the doctor and you have to sign those consent to treat forms and they tell you like their policies and like things could happen. I think there should be an AI disclosure in there. However, I don't really know how you would do that when you're calling 911 since that's supposed to be an emergency line. However, there are non-emergency 911 numbers that you can use. I know that sounds weird, but there's like a backup number that you can call that gets you to a 911 dispatcher, but it's not routed through like an emergency call. You can usually look that up in your county to see what your non-emergency 911 number is, by the way. But anyway, what do we think about AI being used in dispatch in general? Is the way this dispatch center is using it good? Do we think that's setting up a bad precedent? Let me know in the comments.